Salon owners and stylists taking their fight to the state capitol, pushing the governor to let them operate indoors once again. California is the only state where personal care services like haircuts and pedicures have to be done outdoors.
So what are the risks when it comes to getting your hair done indoors? CBS 13's Renee Santos is live getting answers. Renee.
Yeah, just hours ago, salon owners took to the Capitol. Their message to the governor today: it's safer to do hair indoors than outside. We're now digging deeper into that, asking an infectious disease expert just how big of a risk getting your hair done indoors really is, especially when a majority of the time the stylist and customers aren't face to face. You may be surprised at what he has to say.
We are dying out here. And yet they let the prisoners. We have not committed a crime, but yet we're on death row. We might as well just shut it down.
California, the only state in the country where salons must operate outdoors in order to stay open, surrounded by states that allow services indoors with strict safety protocols and restrictions, is drawing frustrated owners to the Capitol.
It's almost like surreal to think that we would close our salon down and not do hair after 42 years.
So what is the risk of getting your hair done indoors? CBS 13 is getting answers.
Low, medium, high. Between those three, where would you place salons?
Without a mask, high. With masks on both the clients and the salon workers, probably medium. Outdoor, low.
Dr. Philip Norris, an infectious disease expert, says in terms of virus transmission, going inside anywhere is riskier than outside. But there are factors when it comes to actually getting sick indoors.
It depends on how high the virus load is in the air around. So certainly just because you're not facing someone doesn't mean you can't get infected.
He talks specifically about the amount of virus inside someone's nose.
One of the things that we don't understand about transmission, and we think of these people who have the really high virus load, we sometimes call them super spreaders.
Hundreds of clients, and we have yet to have a COVID case in our salon. Working inside salons.
Still, owners feel it's safer to provide services indoors, giving their training in keeping salons clean.
And you're asking your clients to sit under a drape that's hotter than hell? We live in the valley. It's 106.
Dr. Norris says the only way of really knowing if it's safe is if everyone essentially gets tested. We did talk to salon owners who tell me that they did have clients that had the virus unknowingly. Later on, they found out, and none of their clients or their staff tested positive.
All right, Renee reporting for us at the state capitol tonight. Thanks.